Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a lovely Thai food that is whole fried fish with chili sauce. This sauce has a burst of sweet, tangy, spicy, and salty flavors, and it's a very popular dish in Thailand. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started. First, let's prepare veggies. This is 20 grams of ginger. Peel the skin and cut into thin strips. 5 cloves of garlic. Chop them fine. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped shallot. 2 tablespoons of Kofer leaves, also called as lime leaves. Remove the vein and cut them into thin strips. 2 fresh Thai red chilies and 1 green chili. 4 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. These are the ingredients we need to marinate the fish. I'm using Kofer fish. Wash it thoroughly. Dab it dry with a kitchen towel or a tissue. Make some gashes on the fish so that the seasoning will get into it. We need juice of half a lemon for the whole fish. That will be good enough. Add some salt and chili flakes and gently rub all over it. After the seasoning, let it rest for 10 minutes. Ingredients to coat fish. In a large mixing bowl, add 1/3 cup of wheat flour, that is 5 tablespoons. 1/4 cup of corn flour, that is 4 tablespoons. Rice flour, 1/3 cup. half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Let's coat the ginger julienne in the flour. Dust the excess flour and keep it aside. Coat the fish well with this flour. This will give a nice crispy texture. Heat up some oil, keep the flame on medium. First let's fry the cashews. Fry them till they turn light golden. Fry the peanuts for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next goes the ginger julienne. Just fry this for a minute. Now the dry red chilies, fry it for a minute. This will get burnt quickly, so keep an eye on it. I'm frying chopped garlic and Kofer leaves together. The oil is infused with wonderful Thai flavor. Carefully add the fish and keep adding hot oil on the gashes and on top of the fish to get cooked evenly. Fish will cook fast, so fry for 4 minutes on each side. Carefully turn it to the other side and fry for 4 more minutes. Fish is fried well, nice and crisp. Now let's take it out. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, finely chopped red and green chilies, finely chopped shallot, chopped fresh coriander leaves, half a tablespoon of sugar. You can also add honey. Give a good mix. This is done. Ingredients to garnish the fish. I'm adding fried garlic and Kofer leaves. Oh, this smells wonderful. Serve hot with some nice fresh salad. You can make this dish in any fish of your choice. This Kofer fish has lot of flesh and tastes very good. While serving, add some sauce, some nuts and ginger julienne. You must definitely try this. This is amazing. Do share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below and share this video with your family and friends. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.